Hello everyone, welcome. In this video very shortly we're discussing how to solve the your connection is not secure on Chrome. So basically why this happens is because when you're searching for a website that is unsafe, that has, for example, if I go to the settings of this website, and as you can see the google.com domain, the connection is secure. You can also go here, and as you can see the connection is secure. And it explains why the certificate is valid. You can also check the certificate, as you can see, browse the details and everything. And when the website does not have this security level and basically the protection, right, the phishing protection and in general the web protection, you will get this, your connection to this site is not secure error. So in order to bypass this and still go to that website, if you're maybe trusting it or you still want to go, maybe you're using a VPN and you think you're safe, just as you can see, there's this little image in here, and there's this button send anyway. So this will basically make sure that it will send you to that website anyway. So if you press this basically blue outlined button, it will just send you back. For example, if I go back to the search, as you can see, if I go back, I'm just going to be transferred back to my Google search. But instead, just press on send anyway, and you will be taken to that website anyway, and you can browse it. So as you can see, it's very easy to bypass. So enjoy the tutorial, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you soon.